Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toad. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and draw the shape of the face. Let's draw a curve across here. Then underneath, let's close off the face with a large U-shaped curve. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eyes with two long ovals. Now inside each eye at the top, let's draw a circle. And then let's color the bottom section of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. And then a small curve on the ends. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start above at the top here and let's draw a curve. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and back into the side of the face. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a large circle. And then a curve down on the left side, and the same on the right. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on the bottom of the head and let's draw a small curve down on both sides. Then for the end, let's curve it down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in on both sides. And then a curved line down to close it off. Now let's add a border inside the vest. We'll start with a curve down. And then across at the bottom. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And connect it at the bottom with another curve. Now let's hop inside the middle and draw a curve across for the top of the pants. Next, let's hop up and add the arms. From the shoulders, let's draw a curve down. Then underneath, another small curve. Next, let's add the hands at the end. From the top line, let's draw a bent line down like this. Then another bent line and curve it in for the next finger. A small line above it. And then one more curve underneath to close off the hand. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start under the body and let's draw a curved line down on both sides. And then a curve from the inside. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Toad. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!